Demand planning forecasts what to reorder, then turns it into purchase orders. Pick a supplier, choose how to forecast. Here, from recent sales, and build. The forecast sizes the whole order at a glance. Line items, total units, the cash it ties up, and how many products are running low or at risk. Every product gets its own line, its average daily demand, the supplier's minimum order quantity, and a suggested order size, each priced out to a running total. The analytics go deeper, an ABC breakdown, a cash flow projection, and coverage and risk views that show where your money should go first. When it looks right, set the destination and status, and create the purchase orders in one click. Your forecast becomes real orders, ready to send.
For the full written guide, visit skew.io/docs.